the noise, cut the chatter. Only number, only data. Tailor suit, late trade, no sweat. Eyes on the chart, that candle set. They've been solid through the storms and the scares. Every year, same calm in the flesh. Top shelf plans, every tear, that's facts. Blueprint clean, every wrist contact. When I scale, it's a ladder, not a bed. Every rung got steel in the step. You want proof? Check the curve, not the talk. See the line stay smooth, while the rest just walk. Deep fun, deep roots in the ground. In a world full of shakes, they don't move when it's loud. Out for futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game, and they still strong. Out for futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Out for futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Out for futures, yeah. Yeah, that's where I'm so. Text so clean, feel the speed in the scroll. No lag, no drag, full control. Execution like a lock on a vault. Click once, tight spread, no fall. I seen markets turn savage in an hour. Watch weak funds fold, lose power. They just glide through the waves, never shake. Same name, same strength, no break. You want calm in the rush, in the race. You want time, you want room, you want space. Deep funds, deep roots in the ground. In the field full of noise, they don't mimic the crowd. Future, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game, and it's still stall. Out for future, when the screens glow gold. Every life plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Out for future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Out for future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Years in the fight, they refine, they remain. Names come and go, they engrave in the frame. If I'm putting on a tux for the kill shot and move, oh yeah, it's their badge on the inside, stitched in a suit, yeah.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the happy hour. What's up?
What's that word?
You're
How's everybody doing? Bonkers, a man goes on a call and the Daily Canada, the biggest weekend flip of all time. Really? I didn't even get to fucking trade today. I had an appointment I had to make this morning. I had to be at my appointment this morning.
I mean, I actually do believe we're going to continue to go up. My overall prediction is that we're going to go up and CPI is going to fucking crash everything. So I think we got a good run tonight.
Elijah was good. Steven Trades was good. YouTube, how we doing, man? What chart is that? Oh, it's gold. No, it's not gold, brother. I trade NQ. How do we do this morning, guys? How do we do this morning, man?
Stop. I actually did 50,000 this morning.
Oh, shit.
He said, okay, fuck me.
No, that's good shit. I mean, it looked like today was pretty free from, what I be looking for. I just wasn't fucking, just wasn't on the chart. Had to go do grown up shit. What y'all think of that lockout on Trader Bay now? Great idea.
Yeah, we talked about it yesterday on the show.
Yeah. Bro, see, I need I need that shit, bro. I got a fucking bump on my nose now, bro. This shit is getting me hot.
Why do you have a bump on your nose?
Bro, I don't know, bro. Like a little pimple.
Bro, I told you to stop sniffing blow off hookers' asses. Like, I don't know why you keep doing that.
Yeah, that's not true, guy. That's not true, guy.
So how else did you get that?
I don't know what the hell Izzy is talking about. Accusations. Accusations, fellas.
I'm just saying.
A man try to have some fun, man. I get pimples.
Yeah, you went to whatever that shit was on over the weekend. That's exactly what happened. See?
Accusations, fellas. I don't know what is he talking about.
The cat.
Cat licking the buns is funny as fuck.
Oh my god. You want to share your charts?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah.
CC, what's up, my boy?
He went to that hotel. Baby, hold on. No.
I need
Not right now.
like a face wash, bro. This shit is getting out of pocket. I don't even get
You need
bumped.
more than that.
The hell that's supposed to mean?
Nothing.
What you trying to insinuate here?
Oh, I don't even know. I was just fucking with you.
Izzy is on timing today. He went to OBT and got him shot. Hey, bro, chill out, bro.
Oh man. I think I want to look for longs, to be quite honest. Like, I think we're gonna short as soon as we open. Fuck. Okay, the shorts is a good 173 points, so maybe I am looking for shorts.
We can get a gap down. I want to see something from this area here. I got a lot.
Because ideally, I want to buy overall, but you know what? How it is? I think that 8 o'clock candle is gonna be a buy. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Probably that's gonna happen.
Yeah, I essentially want to see a drop in a pop.
Yeah.
That's essentially what I want to see at open.
Yeah.
If we can drop and we start to respect like the 850s, the 830s, I will jump in and buy.
50s. I see a little bit more of a retracement. I want to see like the 760 area, actually, like where we broke structure, like what is this? 707
Yep. I have a
to
fib level right there.
Yeah, to 760, I think, around that area. So I want to see definitely a drop, and I think that's what is kind of the plan, right? We drop and then we buy up overnight, and then tomorrow we drop again for CPI.
Right. That's why I want to wait and see if my areas hold, because if it doesn't hold, there will be no trade. That 750 area, that 760 area, I have that marked out as well. I have a fib level there, and I see a nice 5-minute gap there. So
yeah, that's where I'm looking at.
Yeah, I definitely would be interested in buys from there for sure.
Yeah, but that is literally 170 points. So like a drop to that gap makes perfect sense.
Yeah. And, you know, like it did yesterday, it could just gap down fucking 200 points.
Bro, that's not. I'm so pissed about it. And then I was actually trying to buy after we got off the call. I was like, we definitely buy into that gap. That bitch didn't buy until like 10 p.m., bro. That's what I'm saying. Like, always.
Wally man, first time here. What's up, guys? What they do, man? Welcome, bro. YouTube, everybody, welcome Wally.
What's up, Wally?
Need pimple stickers. What the fuck is a pimple sticker? Why get those?
It's like a what is it called? Hydrochlorone sticker. It just helps like remove the gunk and stuff.
That's for females. You don't need that. So then, what the hell do I need, bro? Oh, so now we gonna act like as men we're not supposed to take care of our fucking skin?
Yeah. No, you need some like what is it called? Medical grade shit, bro. Stop buying the
You can't
pharmacy
even
shit.
you can't even see it, bro. Don't you talking about medical grade?
No, 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 no. I'm saying because I personally use medical grade stuff for my skin, regardless if I have a pimple or not. Like now that you're making bread, we need to upgrade your skincare too. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, I heard that. I heard that. I need whatever works. So is you gonna have to DM me whatever got going on, bro? So
No, it's like I personally only buy medical grade stuff because the additives on medical grade actually do something for your skin. Pharmacy over the counter stuff do not have active ingredients to help with your skin.
so you're saying go to the doctor
Just
for a pimple.
no. You can buy it online. It's just there's a difference between
Salute
over
to
the
the
counter
team.
stuff and medical grade stuff.
Hoodie 504, $4.99. Salute to the team. Hoodie with another tip, bro. We appreciate that. Boy,
Yeah, Hoodie is beating
Bro.
all of you guys, bro. Like
Yeah.
every fucking show I'd be hearing his name.
That boy Hoodie, man. We appreciate that. Love from New Orleans. He said, I'm broke the fuck. It's all right, brother. You do what you can. He about to come down to Florida and inspect Coach's skincare routine. She needs to. Bro, my skin is normally pretty clear. I don't know what's going on these past couple weeks.
I know what's going on.
Shit is getting me hot. Trump talking about Iran right now. I think it's going to tank at open, possibly.
I mean, we are looking for sales at the open.
Yeah. I wouldn't even be surprised. Market opens in about a minute.
Yeah, I want to see it drop, and I want to see us buying.
Stress? I'm not stressed, bro. I don't know why. I don't know. I'm just breaking out, bro. I'm not stressed. I'm actually chilling.
Yeah, the hourly looks like it wants to sell, and it is on its sell area that I'm looking for. So, like, a sell to buy makes complete fucking sense, especially because we finished the day so bullish without any retracements.
Yeah, we need some form of pullback. We'll do for it. You don't have to pay for a tag, bro. You gotta just adopt the tag. Just click someone's tag and click adopt. Market opens in about 15 seconds.
Woo!
Let's see what the fuck can happen.
Broski, what the fuck are you doing? Come lay down over here.
Bedazzled beanie is wicked, brother. Do you get fresh?
Did you get fresh?
Like, do you get fresh?
Oh, we're seeing a buy right away. That's
Are you
great.
still
Oh,
rocking
and a
plain
drop.
beanie? Well, it didn't gap down crazy or anything like that.
No, we gapped up, then down. I think we're selling from here.
See it taking these lows, I definitely might take a stab at it on these first
I
accounts.
can't fucking see. Why can't I fucking see the fucking candle?
See how this candle closes. I might have to get up in there with a nice little tester. So far, let me see. All right. Stop is literally less than 10 points. Let's get it. I am in there.
Yep, same.
I am
Just
in there,
went in.
guys. No, let me show YouTube. Hold on. Where's my entry? What does it say?
Yep, I'm in.
55.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
55. Give it some room here.
Is it
Really my stop.
55?
There's
Oh,
my
I
entry.
see what you see now. Oh, that was my. I was putting my stop loss there. Holy fuck.
It's a nice done. We need a continuation. We need a nice little continuation. I'm up 400 right now. Nice.
I just
Nice.
added to my position. I'm up 1,300 right now.
Nice.
There we go. Come on.
I'll take a little partial there because I went in a little heavy. Now I'm back in with my normal position, up 300. And this shit is rolling.
This shit is fucking
This shit
rolling.
is rolling.
Jeez.
I will be targeting 850 would be a partial for me, and I will be targeting the quarter point as well.
We fucking lit right now. Let's go.
I bitched out. Hey, you up $12? You up $12, bro? You
As
up
long as
$12?
this bitch doesn't retrace, I'm good. I'm chilling. Okay. There we go.
Yeah, this count is looking. I love how this 5 minutes looking.
Oh, this is beautiful. I'm up 3 bands right now.
In there.
Times 10. I'm up 30,000. Oops.
Oh, you full ported the fuck out of that bitch.
They're just challenges.
You full ported the fuck out of it.
Bro,
Let's see.
I'm hella up right now.
I mean, I'm currently
Yo, I'm up 50,000 right now.
this shit is rolling right now.
Rolling.
This shit is rolling right now. Lucy Pass, good short, good shit. Psycho Danny, you crazy motherfucker.
Woo!
You psycho motherfucker.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
2 days in a row hitting 1,500 on happy hour. Let's go. Good shit, brother. Good shit, brother. We are rolling $900 per account. That's a total of like 4,500. I mean, it ain't no 50 bands, but shit.
It's
Take
not
my
mine
little,
until I close.
take my little 4,500.
Bro, I'm debating on closing the show. I don't like the way that shit rejected. I don't know. Ugh.
You talking about that gap?
Let me break even on
I
this
still
shit.
believe this shit has room. I still
I
believe
think
this
it has room too, but let me
has a lot
not
of room to go.
stop. Let me do 3 by stop right here. What fucking shit? I meant stop.
Good shit, Daniel.
I do not like that. I do not like that. I don't like that one bit. Do I get out? Do I get out? Do I get out? Do I get out? Ah! Is it gonna take me out?
What's the word, Coach? We was looking for you in pre-market, bro. Nah, yeah, I had an appointment, bro.
Woo!
Had to go make sure my motherfucking blood work was right.
It almost took me out. It didn't. I'm alive.
Had to make sure that blood work was right. You know, grown man shit, man. But y'all definitely gonna catch me in there tomorrow for shit, so.
Oh no. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Drop, 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 drop.
What's the name of the strategy I just popped in here? That's all I need to know. P2P?
Me.
P2P, brother.
Babe, stop. Bro, move. Your snout. Took me out in some
For the retrace.
profit.
Yeah, I got taken out of
Yeah, a
that
fucking
trade.
heavy fucking retracement. See, I
out
told
of-
you I didn't like the way the 15-minute look. As soon as we tapped that gap, this bitch went bullish as fuck. I think we have room to come back down though.
Took me out at around almost $700 per account. So that's a nice, what?
I think it's
30,
retesting the gap. Trying to see if I was short again. Let's see, do I want to retest that?
I don't know, that 15-minute looks kind of spooky.
Here. Yeah.
15-minute looks kind of spooky.
I told you, I was like, I don't like the way that look. I knew I should have gotten out right there. Son of a bitch.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Already starting to trade up.
No.
Oh, whoa. Siri, what type of police shit are you doing? Siri, what are you on? That shit almost texted somebody that didn't need to be texted, bro.
One of your hoes?
Nah, I don't have those.
Yeah, right. How about we test these longs as soon as we close above 981 maybe.
Y'all know Trump talking, right? Yep. He could talk all he want. If I see that setup, I'm gonna take that trade.
Oh no, that shit is actually dumping again. I knew it was gonna retest this stupid gap.
Oh yeah, I get ready to jump back in there.
Just debating. I'm trying to see what he wants to do. Does he want to sell or are we actually buying?
What?
I think it's continuing to sell. I think we're just retesting the gap.
Yo, I did not just get in with two fucking like. Yo, this is troll game. So 8 times 5 is 40. Just close this fucking trade, bro.
I have a feeling we're gonna. I have a feeling we might continue this buy up. I can't decide. I can't make up my mind if I want to see some continuing sales. I mean, I think we do have rooms for sales, but I don't like the rejection on the 15 minutes though.
Yeah, because what I don't want to happen also is that motherfucking 15-minute to flip. But then we're gone after that.
The 15-minute already flipped. It hasn't closed just yet. Some ugly ass price action.
Either way, gonna be patient. 680 per account. We're chilling. There's no reason to even rush in anything. Might as well look for something that I see And I ain't got time to play with Asia tonight.
I think that was a. Let me just shut up for a second and think about this. Yeah, definitely. We retested the gap. We rejected the gap. I think we have room. Every time Asia creates a wick, it actually continues on that direction. That's what I've noticed most of the time. So the fact that the 15 created that wick doesn't really like mean shit.
I don't think Trader Mate is laggy. It's just this shit's not moving like that.
No, it's not moving like that for sure.
My Trader Mate is pretty decent. Right now, I'm trading on Apex, my Apex accounts. Trading on my Apex accounts. Jumped in. Jumped in with an entry at 25. You see. Oh, we mark it out for you too.
Bro, hold on. Like, you're literally sitting next to me. You do not have to be on my lap. We talked about this. I need my hands. Get attention after.
See if we can get a continuation. Switch accounts really quick.
You are gonna get off my lap if you don't stop trying to get on my lap. Bro. Oh my god.
Of course, if you got an Apex payout before, know what I'm about to. I was really just using like a couple prop firms, TPT and shit like that. I'm a real if it ain't broke, don't fix it kind of guy. So took me when I told y'all that this year I was gonna try to diversify. So that's what I'm doing.
Baby, please. I need my hands.
Let's see. Are those the new Apex accounts? Yeah, these are the new ones. These are the new ones. Fix my Apex accounts. Good shit, Lucky Luck. Good shit, Brody. What's the link to Apex? Maz, can you drop the link to our partners for shrimp? I'm not. I don't know why he got that name, brother. There's women in here, brother. You supposed to be. You supposed to be. You supposed to say. You supposed to have like a better name than that, gang. Like,
What do you suggest? You already renamed G's thing, so
I renamed G Stain, so I got to give him a new name.
yeah.
Um,
Shrimp Bitcho.
we're gonna call you
Prawn. Prawn is cute. Adolf.
I ain't gonna lie, jumbo shrimp is wild work. That's wild work. I ain't gonna lie, that's
Jumbo
wild
shrimp.
work. You use Lucid at all? Only one I didn't
Prawn
hear you
the
mention.
Dawn.
Yeah, I have a Lucid funded account. I use Lucid as well. Hell yeah.
Grounded Dawn is crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna call them
Crab leg. Liability.
I'm gonna think of some fire shit, bro. Give me a minute, bro. I'm gonna think of some fire shit for you. Cause that right there ain't gonna cut it on me. That ain't gonna cut it on me.
Shrimp cocktail. I'm dead.
We could call them scampi. I like that.
Scampi's
I just
good.
had some shrimp scampi last night.
I saw. I was like, ooh,
You see me shining?
you gotta
I
do
told
some
you, I know a
shining.
little something now. I know a little something. Nah, Novo, he's Scampy. That's his name. We call him Scampy, bro. That's bro name.
That's gay.
That's what?
No, hooligan said that's gay. I'm just reading.
Oh, I was about to say how.
No, I don't think it's gay.
You like that name, Izzy?
I do. You ate
Me
scampi.
eating.
Ooh, that's dirty.
Oh my dog, Jay Hooligan, bro. Yo, 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 chill out, bro. Nah, yeah, all right, bet. All right, yeah.
Is that
I
why
gotta
your
think of
name
some
James
shit.
Scampi?
Yeah. I gotta.
Oh my god, you know what we call ugly women with like a pretty body in Brazil?
That.
Shrimp. Because you eat everything but the face.
Oh, nah, that's cold blooded. That's cold blooded. That is cold blooded. I can't even lie.
I'm not something else. That's what Brazilians call women like that. They say like usually women that work out and like have like a decent body and an ugly face. That's what they're called. No, piriguete just means like hoe.
Wait, how you say it?
Piriguete
Petey
just
Getchy?
means yeah, it just means hoe.
Ooh, I'm gonna use that. Petey Getchy.
Mm,
Stop acting like a Petey Getchy.
dumping a hoe. That's fucking crazy.
That's gas, bro.
Can you explain why a lot of Brazilian women use steroids? Yeah, because we're wearing bikinis like 90% of the time.
Wait. Brazilian women are using steroids? What the fuck? Hey, we're rolling, by the way. I'm up 20 points of profit in this short still. Still's in this short. Still in this short. Seeing if I feel like this has a lot of room to keep going. Same thing. I am targeting, my first target is 850. Maybe like 853.
No, I'm saying because for you to be able to build a lot of muscle, like as a woman, and which Brazilians are very well known from like having a thick leg and a thick butt, right? That's what we want to achieve with the look. And we don't want to do BBLs like the United States. So a lot of women do steroids to achieve that. And that is not just in Brazil. Like there's a wave over here, like with the peptides and everything, right? And hormones that American women are starting to do that in the entire fucking world, really. It just started in Brazil.
Wait. So bitches is walking around in Brazil swole as fuck? That's what you're trying to tell me?
Especially in Rio, yeah. When you have the carnival, they are pretty much just like naked.
Yeah, but I don't want to see a bitch with abs and muscular titties.
I mean, I'm not saying it's for everybody. And it depends on how much like steroids you're actually like consuming. You know what I'm saying? Like it's not, you don't get huge if you don't work out as much. It just helps with recovery and actually like building muscle. Like if you do everything right.
Have you ever taken steroids, Izzy?
Kind of, but not really. So I had to do my testosterone was really low because of birth control. So I had to actually get testosterone to balance it out, to bring it to a normal level. So whenever my testosterone got back to a normal level, I stopped.
You is you bro, you a wild card, bro.
How am I wild?
Every
Look,
time I get
that
on
was
happy
a
hour, I learn
medical
something
issue.
new, bro.
Well, that was a medical issue. Like low testosterone on women um can cause like signs of depression and like low energy and like all of these other like side effects, and like my doctors were like trying to pump me with a bunch of antidepressants, and I was like, I don't think is it. I'm like, I don't feel sad, I feel tired. Like I was going to bed at like noon, you know. So when they did a hormonal panel, they were like, "Oh, you have the testosterone of a 60-year-old," and I'm like, "Oh, great!" And then we found out that it was like my birth control. So I got out of birth control, and then I started doing um, the hormonal what is it called, treatment for 6 months.
What else? What else don't I know about you, Izzy?
Um, well, since we're on that topic, like so. One of the reasons I think I might have
Oh,
had
look at this camera. We
cancer.
are
Oh
rolling,
shit,
guys.
we're
We are
rolling.
fucking rolling right now. Rolling.
You're
An extra
oh
5 B
hell
per account.
yeah.
We are fucking rolling on this short. Trump, whatever you saying, don't
Keep
stop.
saying it. Don't stop.
Don't stop, bro. Don't say nothing weird, nothing wacky, bro. Whatever you're saying, keep fucking doing it. Now, what were you about to say, Izzy? 'Cause I know you was about to say something off the wall, bro.
It was not even that off the wall.
All right, so what was it? Since it's not
What
that
was it?
off.
No, so right before one of the reasons why I got out of the military was because of the whole hormonal situation, and doing all the hormonal treatments and like looking into things. I also found out I had cancer. So
No.
yeah. So I actually got surgery and it never came back. So like every year for this is the 6th year um that I've been getting checked and it never came back. So
Yes. Hey,
so I
W
mean
for Izzy.
it was pretty like
A fucking
not,
blessing.
yeah. I don't want to say it wasn't like a big deal, but it was kind of like thankfully I didn't have to go through chemo or none of that. It was just kind of like cut and done.
Fuck cancer.
Yeah.
Sincerely.
So
We all
yeah,
believe you
be
guys.
careful with what you put in your body. Like shit is crazy. That's why I'm like, bro, fuck birth control.
Also, the birth control was the cause,
Well, they don't know what was the cause. So
but
like
it
I'm a,
could be possibly.
but yeah, and one of the things that the birth control did do was like lower my testosterone. So my whole hormone panel was just like out of whack. Yeah. So that is one of the reasons why I got out of the military, because like I was dealing with all of that shit, and then it just kept like finding shit like wrong with my hormones, like, and I was like, bro, huh, wild times. And then the doctor tried to tell me that there was like, "Ah, not a big deal, you're good." I'm like, bro, what? The military is notorious for that, just saying that like you're good when you're like, I'm not okay.
Yeah, it seems like they want everybody to be tough as fuck. I'm glad you overcame that for sure. I'm not gonna lie.
Thanks.
Fuck cancer. And we are rolling.
Yeah, we're rolling.
We are rolling. We are rolling. I'm about maybe 20 points away from TP1. about 20 points away from TP1. I want to see just another little squeeze. Another little squeeze and we look good.
I know. Just one more like. Bro, chill the fuck out.
247 on the funded. Joe Mads, good shit, bro.
Hell yeah.
Good shit, bro. YouTube, are we in this short? Are we in this short, YouTube? Discord, are we in this short? I said like 10, 15 minutes ago in the short. Yes, sir. Okay.
Bro, I don't like how we keep rejecting that area, bro. Oh my god, not again.
Yeah, it's like the same area does keep rejecting.
Literally, yeah.
Put one here. And put one here. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shittery.
I knew we were.
Oh shittery.
Yeah, that long is fucking wild.
Wick out. What was it again? Brigetti?
Pirigetti. Yeah.
Pirigetti. Wick out, you fucking Pirigetti. Puss ass Pirigetti. I like how that shit rolled off the tongue. Edging me stop at 918. Yeah, it's low key. My stop's at 21. 21? They said which branch, Izzy?
Navy.
Damn, you was a Navy SEAL?
Huh. Not a seal. I was a sailor.
Navy. Oh, I'm out of the trade, guys. Out of the trade, guys. Up 945 per account. 945 per account. We are officially about maybe like 5 bands in profit across all accounts in total. And I'm all right with that. I'm all right with that. Coach got wicked out, strat 6. 6 micros, 10 micros,
it
bro.
really be like that, bro. I fucking get to my nerd. What is this?
It's projecting literally that same exact area.
I had a feeling. I was like, every time he does that, like that 15-minute really just wants to go up. I feel like.
Yeah, that same gap projecting. I was only 20 points away from the first profit target. I was hoping we at least come for those at least before we start to reject again.
Yeah, no, we're bullish as.
See what yes is doing.
I don't want to try a step on the longs. Oh fuck!
Damn, that shit ripping.
That shit. I literally said I want to try a step. $900 in profit. I'm like, what?
That's fine. That's fine. Hey, coach, I'll do a backflip off a small wall for an account. I don't know if you can. Are you gonna land it or are you gonna hurt yourself?
Are you gonna?
I mean, either way, I'm sold. But all right, Jamie. All right, Jamie. That's why that's why I asked if he was gonna land it. I don't want you to hurt yourself, brother. No matter how much I would love to see it, YouTube, brother. Done for the day. Good shit. Did you secure profits, Nico? How many accounts do you have linked? I have 5. Oh, 2 bands in a long. I didn't see that, Nico. Okay, good shit, bro. Good shit. Do you guys use the 15-minute candle to get in on the 5-minute? No, all my entries are on the 1 minute. All my entries off the 1 minute. They're based off of higher time frames, though. I will say that. I will say that. Been doing
I
this
need
shit
to
since the
start
second
fucking
grade.
scalping, bro. I could have been up a ridiculous amount. It always goes into profit and then it just does this fuckery. I'm like, oh. Like, remind me, every time we stall, just get the fuck out, bro. I'm through with this.
Yeah, I used to know how to do flips all the time, bro. That was like the thing in elementary school. That was like the thing, bro. Until I almost paralyzed myself.
Oh, shit. That's
Literally.
crazy.
Yeah, like literally, bro. We used to do like you know how people as kids, like you know how we do backflips and shit.
Yeah. I mean, I
So I
never
was
done it, but
doing it
yeah.
off the swing, and I mastered it on the swing, but I had the bright idea to try to do a double backflip.
A
Landed
double
right on
back.
my head. I had to wear a neck brace for like 3-4 months, bro.
Yeah.
In elementary school, bro. I damn near got into 7 fights a day.
God damn.
Look at that short.
Look at it, Shorty. Bro.
Petey Getchy, why the fuck did you have to take me out to do that?
Dead ass. Literally stopping.
Fucking Petey Getchy, bro.
Bro,
And
this
Q, I'm end up
shit is
cussing your
like,
ass out, bro.
it's testing my patience today, bro.
Do you believe in the 2020 method? I don't know what that is, brother. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know what that is. See what is rejecting P2P students on ES. So it's actually kind of textbook for a short, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It was textbook. I'm just
I hate
done.
how we're kind of like up, down, up, down, up,
Yeah.
down, up, down. But if we break and we close at 889, I think we need to close. Like, I think that this is just like fucking playing games as per usual, waiting for 7 p.m. to actually fucking short this shit.
Past 2 lucid flexes on that. Good shit, OZ. Good shit, OZ. Hate that the price action's so fucking shitty. It had to do a whole 5-minute, 1, 2, 3, 4-minute up move just to come all the way back down. What's the word, coach? Am I flipping, bro? I can't risk it, gang. Not on YouTube. Because if you bust your ass, that'll be crazy. That'll be crazy. Yuck, what's that word?
Just in time.
Why are you both saying bro all the time? What would you like for me to say? Double, period. Would
What's
you like
up,
me to say?
princess? What's up?
Would you like me to say bitch?
What's going on?
Motherfucker.
Who said that? Who's
What would you like me to say?
was that
Damn,
YouTube?
baby. It's when you use 20% of your account to trade and take 20% win to build your account for smaller accounts. Like, nah, bro. I just trade how I trade. I don't know about no 20%, 2020 rule. I have my targets, I put my stop losses, and I let them shits get hit.
Mm.
Yeah, but that neck brace time of my life was kind of fucking crazy, bro.
Yeah. You're
That shit was kind of fucking crazy.
I hate when
Nothing you don't need to say it
it.
constantly. Just say what you want without putting bro in. Okay, for sure. I got you, bro. Don't worry about it, bro. I'll stop saying bro. Most definitely.
Who
My
is
fault,
this?
bro.
Is this on YouTube?
Yeah, it is on YouTube. My bro, Dobble. That's my bro right there. What do you trade? NQ. NQ, brother. Oh, my bad, bro. Fuck wrong with that boy.
Bro, it's always some people that just be complaining about the dumbest shit. It's like,
We just caught 2 banger shorts, and he's worried about me saying bro.
see? And then you're like, why can I be profitable? Because you be worrying about the wrong shit.
Right, Habibi, that's
Bro.
fucking insane, bro.
I'll say it in Brazilian. But you know what? We say bro in Portuguese too. We say bro. Bro. Not bro.
Bro.
Mm-hmm. But it comes from the English, like bro. That's the same, like.
Right, it's like literally universally used. Like,
It is.
do you know where you're at, bro? I got that short thing supposed to log off now and reset for tomorrow with my new funders again. Good shit, OZ.
You're
Good shit, OZ. Hermano. Yeah, I do like that. Yeah. The Hispanics, they snap with that Hermano. That shit smooth. That shit is smooth. So Izzy, would you be able to understand like a Colombian?
yeah, I dated one. But I
And when
told
it,
you, I literally learned Spanish so I could find out if that motherfucker was shitting on me or not, and I did not tell him.
so did you find out?
I did. And he was. Remember, I told you, I literally packed my shit and left. Yeah. Bro, no, let me tell you. Let me tell you this. I actually installed this software that I found on the internet and his laptop to it's essentially a software that like screen records without you knowing 24/7.
Izzy, what like how does your brain work? Like
Well,
you
that
really
was
are
like
the
that was 10 years ago, okay? Like leave me alone.
to
I
even
was
think of
like
that is
I was
crazy.
18. Okay, so what happened was, and I told Max this. So I woke up in the middle of the night because I heard something. And he was beating his meat to something. And he got like all scared and shut the laptop like down and everything. And I was just like, what the fuck is going on? And he was like, nothing. Why the fuck did you wake up? I'm like, I gotta pee. Why the fuck are you startled that I got up?
I mean, he's choking the chicken. Of course he's startled. That's a
But I didn't know. Like I was like kind of like asleep. I didn't know exactly what he was doing. I was just kind of like, what are you doing? Let me see your fucking laptop. Why the fuck you hiding? He's like, no, go back to sleep. But he started arguing with me for no reason. So I was like, all right, so you don't want to tell me what the fuck you're doing, and you're doing something very sneaky. So bet I'm gonna find out. So I did.
God forbid a man chokes his chicken in peace, bro.
Nah, he was talking to this hoe that he used to fuck.
So, bro, I got so much questions, gang. I'm not gonna lie. Like, okay, first of all, this had to be after 10 p.m. We
Yeah,
know
it was
that.
like 2 in the morning.
Right. Because he can't roll over and grease, so he probably was choking. Okay, right. So you see, that's why that's accountability, is it?
No, back then there was not that. Like I actually used to go to bed late.
Oh, okay.
I go to bed early nowadays because I gotta get up early to trade. I didn't used to trade back then. I just went to school twice a week. Well,
So
sure.
his girl is laying next to him, and he pulled up some flicks,
No, he was talking to this hoe that he used to fuck, and they were like sexting.
bro. That that is, I ain't gonna lie, he's too freaked out for me, bro. There's no way you getting you getting busy through text, bro. Like sexting is one thing, but actually choking the chick into it, that's a little that's with your girl sitting there is even crazier.
And then I found out some other creepy shit that like, and then because I actually observed him for a while before I actually caught him talking to the chick, and like he was like looking at like because he had like what is it called a little cousin, and she was like really pretty, but she was like 14 I think, or 12, something like that, and he was like stalking like her girlfriends. Like he would like, because I could see exactly what he did, and he was going on their pages and like stalking their shit, and I was just kind of like, yeah. And then yeah, there were a couple porns that I saw, and I was just like, all right, yeah. And then the last thing I saw was him talking to this bitch that he used to fuck in Spanish, and I was like, I knew this was gonna come the day that I was gonna need my Spanish. Yeah, and then I was like, all right, closed his laptop, packed all my shit, and left without telling a word and blocked him everywhere.
First of all, this man was on a roll. I ain't gonna lie. That he was on a generational run. Like, yo, that's like the level of not giving a fuck is insane, bro. First of all, we all know that y'all are some of the best detectives in the world. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
For
I
you
put a
to learn
password
Spanish
on the
and catch them is crazy.
but yeah.
Yeah, he's a
So,
hornball. So.
but I was like, nah, bro. I was like, the level of crazy that I got, I was like, there's no way. I never want to act crazy again. That's when I was like, I swear by it. I'm like, I'm never going to a man's phone, to a man's computer. If I feel like that I have to do that, just break up with me. Because at that point, I'm like, I don't even want to see what I'm about to fucking find.
Last time I went through a woman's phone, I threw up.
I threw up.
If I get the feeling I gotta go through your phone,
You're about to find something.
yeah, I'm gonna just break up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna break up.
It's always like that. Like if you have the feeling that you're gonna find something, you will find something.
I ain't gonna lie, learning Spanish to get right. That's like,
Well, cause he was like talking to his cousin sometimes, and like I didn't know what they were saying, and I knew some words here and there, and like I wanted to marry him, so like I learned Spanish more so to like, oh, in case I go to Colombia to meet his family. But then at the same time, I'm kind of like, I wasn't telling him that I advanced so fast in Spanish, like he knew I was learning, like he helped me with my homework and shit. But because I knew Portuguese, I actually advanced a lot faster than I thought I would, like I became fluent within like a year, like 6 months or a year.
that's a that's
She did a
insane.
2 year long investigation, pretty much. Pretty much.
And then he's a PDF file too. It's crazy.
Yeah. And I should have known because like his dad, like every time he went to Colombia, like apparently he would like cheat on his mom, on my boyfriend's mom. She was cool with it. And I'm just like, bro. Well, she said that she never knew for a fact. I'm like, are you fucking kidding me? You
That
never
boy
knew
was in
for a fact?
Colombia buying the best motherfucking
Coochie you can
food money
bust
can
him.
buy, bro. That boy was out there tricking. I caught
Yo
a guy
puedo
on
hablar un
camera.
poquito de español, pero no me recuerdo mucho porque no hablo de español, like, currentemente. Good.
Oh shit, Coach! How many cons you trade? Between 5 to 20. And if I'm feel like letting my nuts hang on the pavement, 40. That's a crazy way to catch them cheating, bro.
Bro,
That's a
if
crazy
I
way.
have to install something on your computer, I never again, bro. I was creating all, like, I even created a fake profile to test him to see if he would fall, to see, bro.
Bro, I know he came to the crib, everything was gone, and I know he was like, "What the fuck?"
Oh, he probably was. And then, oh, but you know what? I also didn't, I don't think I told you this. He was an alcoholic. So, like, a lot of this stuff that he did at night, he, like, when I literally told him why I packed up the shit, and he's like, I never did that. And then I showed him the recordings of his computer, and his face went like,
Bro, I know he wanted to disappear.
no, he said that he didn't remember that. And then he was like, I was drinking. I don't remember. So he had an an alcohol problem. So I'm over here like, okay, we got to go to therapy. So we actually tried couples therapy after that. And then he was
Couples
like, yeah, but it was more because of his drinking. So he would only agree to go if, we went. And then every time we went to therapy, he would bring a beer with him. And then and then the therapist literally was like, "Can I have like a discussion with you privately, just the two of us, a session?" He's like, he has an alcohol problem. He's like, you need to break up with him. My therapist, dead ass, was just like,
First of all, we got to go to couples therapy. We probably got to separate, bro. Y'all not even married. Like this was what when you were like in your 20s.
no, I met him when I was 17, so I was 18 probably at the time.
Couples therapy at 18 is crazy work.
Yeah. And I asked his mom and like his dad, and I was just like, like, do you think that he has an alcohol problem? And you know what they said? Everybody said yes, but it's none of my business because he pays his bills. I was just like, y'all are fucking wild, bro. What do you mean?
Yeah.
That is your fucking son, bro.
Yeah, I don't have the mom that's my son, so I'm just letting him, he's right no matter what. My mom literally called me a junkie before because I was drinking too much.
Yeah.
She
Like, as
called me
a
a junkie.
parent, like, as a fucking parent, you better. Like, that is your fucking child. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, like, and I wasn't even. No, what it was is my stomach problems. That's what it was. It wasn't drinking too much. Remember when I had my stomach problems from smoking weed?
oh, she called you a junkie because of that?
Yeah, because she was like, I came to her crib and I ended up having the stomach problems at her crib, and I didn't like telling my mom because she be getting hot, and she was like, "You letting the weed do this to you? You a fucking junkie?" And I was like, "Damn, that shit hurt. What it's like for your mama to call you a junkie? That shit hurt."
She gave
She was
no
dead ass
fuck.
serious. Yeah, she don't give no fucks about me paying bills and none of that shit. But it's
Yeah.
the truth though. If I'm doing something that's making my stomach hurt and I keep doing it, that's junkie shit.
Yeah, like if you know you are literally inflicting what is called like if your health is in place and you can't stop, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Yeah,
like
but the main reason why my well, boyfriend at the time parents didn't care was because he was a functional alcoholic. He drank every single day, and like um but he still worked like a full-time job and shit. You know what I'm saying? So they were like, "Oh, he goes to college. He's
work
working.
with decent.
He was a finance bro." Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, he was a functional alcoholic.
He
There's people
was.
like that.
And then you know what he did after we broke up? He literally got a DUI after like a week after we broke up. And I was like, "That's ironic." And then he quit his job on the best financial institution in Boston, and then he moved in with his mom to go work as a cook.
Shorts look pretty decent here. It's rejecting
I'm
my
like,
area again. That's crazy. Alcoholic at 18 is kind of wild too. Oh, but it's like,
oh, he was a little bit older than me though. He was 21 and I was 18. I think that's what it
I'm
was.
not gonna lie, alcoholic at 21 is still kind of crazy. Like you just graduated, my boy.
Yeah, he had just graduated college.
So it's looking interesting here. If I was trading, I would be in it. I'm not gonna lie. It rejected my area of interest on ES P2P. You know exactly what that is.
I'm actually
And
looking for longs. Is that crazy?
no, it's not crazy.
I'm looking at the gap on the 3 minutes.
We are in this little 5 minute little gap. Looks like it's kind of rejecting that now.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Because, like, if we took liquidity already on the 15 minutes and then we started buying up and we did that twice, I almost want to say we're not going to come back down. And we're going to go for the 58 area. 25.58.
15 minute is wiki as fuck. Wiki as fuck. Coach, this is common in Florida too. What's common in Florida? Yeah, for Izzy to act like that, yeah, he definitely was putting in pain. He definitely was putting in pain.
What? Act like what? Crazy?
Nah, like for you to go, I'm talking couples therapy, Rosetta Stone on the computer, learning Spanish. He must have been putting your ass through the mattress.
No, he was my first boyfriend.
Probably had fucking Izzy folded up like a lawn chair.
He was just my first boyfriend. Like, I was very naive. Like, I didn't really know any better. Like, mental health is a real thing. Like, he literally threw my fucking mental health in the fucking trash, bro. Never again. Never lose yourself for a partner. Like, that is the biggest thing. And you know what's crazy? The reason why I didn't go back to Brazil was because of him. I was actually supposed to go back to Brazil. I was not supposed to stay and go to university.
But everything happens for a reason.
I know, right? And now I'm here. Look at that.
Short is down 25 points, by the way. What section would you say you find the most success in? New York.
New York, definitely New York.
I love New York.
If we invert that 3 minutes, I would go in for a short. But like, I need some more confirmation because we're just in this like little range, you know, like we're not breaking up, we're not breaking down, we're just doing whatever.
Yeah. I've been in some pretty toxic relationships.
Yeah, for you to be traumatized with androids, I bet you have.
Well, no, that didn't come from a relationship. That just came from observation.
Observation.
I'm a real protect my peace kind of dude though. So it's like it's a thin line like between letting the toxic shit slide and telling the bitch to go fuck herself. Coach, how did you learn about trading? Lama introduced me to it.
Were you guys friends for like a long time?
Yeah, when I met Lama, none of us were trading. None of us were. I think I met Lama in like 2000 and like 16, 17. I don't believe you. What you don't believe, Sin? That short is down like 30 points. Shit is bleeding. Shit is bleeding.
I do think we have room to go down. Like my bias
So,
has always been sell to buy. It's just the liquidity grabs in fucking Asia throws me off because that was definitely a sell side liquidity. But
because what did you see on that phone? I didn't see anything like, you know,
like I did.
like, yeah, like I didn't see her getting greased or nothing like that. But, bro, calling another man Poppy and Baby and, bro, my chest was on fire, bro. My chest was
Oof.
on fire.
Mine would be on fire too. Oh, I
What?
mean, mine was when I saw him calling her all that shit too, bro. That is the worst feeling, bro.
Bro, yo, I was like this maggot bitch. Pussy ass birighetti. To this day, I hate her. And
To this day.
I hope she, I hope she stubs her pinky toe on the corner of the bed. G shit. Fuck that birighetti.
That is.
I believe you let somebody destroy your piece if she got a nice body. Nah, like, especially at the age I'm at now, I don't care how fine you is. If you like, if we going through it more than we having happy times, yeah, you gotta go. I'm not gonna lie, you gotta go. I'm not with that toxic ass back and forth shit.
No, playing games, all that shit, bro. Like,
Yeah, I ain't got time for
nah,
that.
no.
Are we
Thank
getting married or are you
you.
getting the fuck out of here?
Yeah.
My problem is after like 15 minutes, I feel like we should move in with each other. That's my problem.
After 15 minutes is crazy.
Yeah, bro. Once we get to
Yeah,
flirting,
you know when like men have post nut clarity, you have the opposite.
yeah, I have the opposite, bro. $1,000 per account, good shit, yeah. Bro, 11, that's my problem, bro. I'll fall in love with a bitch in a heartbeat.
But you're not falling in love, and I think that's something that I had to teach myself too. You just get smitten by somebody, and like you really need to be patient, and let them show their hands, you know, like and actually let their actions speak rather than just the chemistry. Yeah, you definitely just lost. And I used to be the same way. It's like we have like one good talk, and I'm like, oh my god, we're about to date, and he was like, nah, this man's just trying to fuck you, you know.
First, I love you. I'm trying to fucking move you in. I'm not gonna lie. One, I love you. One te amo. And your ass is grass. I'm not gonna lie.
Your ass is great.
Your ass is grass. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, women are not any better nowadays. Like you gotta be careful, especially like now nowadays, like with social media, like with social media grows, like you see they be looking for men with money and like and that's it. And they're like, oh, what man can I fucking trap? Like women are sneaky too. You need a place to stay. My God.
I told you, Jamie, I wasn't bullshitting.
If you're a bad Latina, come over here, join the Discord. We're gonna be doing a bachelorette or bachelor, sorry. Uh,
Hey, this short is shorter. Did anybody take this short when I said it?
I just did not long ago. As soon as we closed that gap that I told you, I took the short.
It's nice.
Yeah. Every week we're gonna have like 5 to 10 baddies come in here and tell me why they deserve to be with Coach and why they should be picked. And the final 3 contestants is gonna be flown to Florida for the final rose ceremony.
You will be a disclaimer. You will be flying spirit. Just to let y'all know. Just to let y'all know. No, you're not getting JetBlue.
You don't want the bitches to even make it to Florida. Fucking call it a spirit.
I'm sorry. You will not be on Southwest. I'm gonna get you a nice Spirit flight. You'll get here safe. Don't worry about it. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Not even
Shit,
JetBlue,
yeah.
Coach. Brother, not even Frontier. Brother, she will be on the most comfortable Spirit ride, 100%.
The most.
The most comfortable. I never even flew Spirit, but I heard that shit is. I heard that shit is yo. I heard so much about it that I would never even take it without even testing it out, bro.
Oh man. Oh.
He said shit a little shaky. See, nah, bro. I'm already kind of like iffy on flights and shit. Even though I done took planes plenty of times, but they always kind of like it's always that thought in the back of my head, you know. Times 3 accounts. Let's fucking go. Good shit, bro.
Hell yeah.
924 per account. Good shit. Or what is that? 308 per account. Good shit. That's how you fucking shoot, boy. That's how you fucking shoot. Let's give some shit away, man.
Yeah, it's getting late. This market isn't moving. It's 7 p.m. If the shit is gonna push, it's gonna push right now. Like, if you're not
Let's
gonna
give
push right now, it's gonna push at 8. Ugh, I fucking hate 8 o'clock moves, bro.
We're gonna do for the love of Coach tomorrow after I get my hair cut, man. I get my tape.
Yeah, I need to, we need some time, some promo production. We need uh we we need some AI The Bachelor with Coach. Make sure it says bad bitches only. And they
You
can't
wanna-
be taller than 5'2". So and a fat ass.
See how that you see how she just threw that in there, bro? See how she just threw that in there?
No
Is you gonna be in the
boyfriend.
lineup? You gonna be in the lineup, Izzy?
Me?
Yeah.
Nah, I'm the one running it.
Yo, they are spamming midgets, bro.
I mean, coach, it's up to you. If you want to climb that tree, you can climb that tree.
Fine, what?
If you want to climb the tree, you can climb the tree. We can say like, you know.
Oh, listen, I climb trees better than
I was trying to watch out for you. Shit. If you want to climb the tree, you can climb the tree. None of
no,
my
bro.
business.
I've always wanted a tree house.
I've always wanted a tree house.
Coach, you like tortas? Tortas or what? Is that like a pepper?
No, fat bitches.
Oh, so a pepper.
Oh, like Peppa the Pig?
Yeah, like we
Bro,
say,
I'm not gonna lie. These longs are actually starting to look good. Bro, I can't make up my mind. This fucking market is like fucking killing me. I hate when I'm like, I'm gonna trust my long buys. I want five. I want 5'8". Fuck it. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. We ball.
No lie, that boy, that's a thick ass midget.
That's a thick ass midget. See? Now you're like, Listen, if they got a fat ass, they got a fat ass.
Yeah, that was a thick ass little person right there. Let's give away some shit. YouTube. Let me see how much likes, bro. Y'all ain't gonna finesse me again, homie.
You're not gonna.
Y'all ain't gonna get me again. 49 likes with 143 people in here. I'm gonna act like I ain't see that, bro. I'm gonna act like I ain't see that. I need 100 likes in like the next minute and a half, bro.
Minute and a half is crazy.
All right, 60 seconds. $60. Yeah, a pepper is like,
I never
yeah,
heard of that.
it's something we say in Florida.
Makes sense.
It's like it's just a rather rotund woman.
A what?
There's some fine peppers out there, though. There's some fine peppers out there.
You mean fat?
I mean, there's levels to a pepper.
Like ugly and fat, or what we talking
No,
about?
like you can be fine as hell, but if you a pepper, you a pepper. You a pep.
Like a
Nice
hoe?
little,
Like what does what quantifies a pepper?
So you know when she got like a rather rotund person, that's she got a little pep in her step, you know? She got a little pep in her step.
The Bachelor coming this
And
shit.
a lot of dudes, they attend the pep rallies for sure.
I'm so confused. What? Like they're fat or what? I'm so confused.
Yeah, they're big.
They're fat. Just
Come
fucking say
on.
fat.
Yeah, but Izzy, I'm trying to come on, bro. Big boned it, bro. They're big
Bro,
boned.
if they fat, they fat. They need to know.
They're big boned, bro.
There's no such a thing as big bone.
All right, YouTube. Let me see how much likes we got on this shit, man. 83?
Yeah, coach. They can't be that big. If not, they're gonna fucking.
No, I never said I wanted to go to a pep rally. I'm saying that's what a pep is. Feel me? You see that, Jamie? 83, bro. What they got going on, Jamie? What they got going on? Don't worry, I'm gonna show Discord the love, man. I'm gonna show Discord the love.
I was 140 and used to fuck a bitch who was like 200 way back in the day. She was Venezuelan. Liviana. Never forget that girl. She had no chill. Yo. Who did, who did that? Yo.
Bro, what the fuck?
Oh my
Bro,
god.
bro, Juan, bro.
Can we please send that to YouTube so they can see it too?
No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Hey, Juan, bro. What you got going on, gang? Yo, Juan, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, Juan, what does your search history look like? I know your search history can probably get you sent to jail, homie.
Jailed is crazy.
Who the fuck is Gorlock? Listen, bro, I'm
Oh
not
yeah,
even going to
guys. Use the code launch10 for 10% off the courses today only. An indicator. So anything that you can book today is 10% off. The mods just dropped it on the chat. That is to celebrate the launch from the website.
10% off courses and indicators. 10% off courses and indicators. Bro, hey, Habiber, what you got going on? I thought, hey,
What?
I thought we was here.
What did he do?
Bro, Habibi is bro. Yeah, bro.
What did he do?
Bro, he put it on YouTube, bro. Bro,
Ah!
bro.
YouTube deserves to see it too.
Coach, what up with the giveaway? I'm waiting. What up with the 100 likes?
What's up with the tortas?
I thought that was a food. Isn't that like a sandwich?
Yeah, no, it's not a sandwich. A torta is like a pie. So you know how pies are big? It's both, yeah. Okay, it's a sandwich. I didn't know if it was a sandwich.
Because I had a thought that before.
Thought
That
it
shit
was
was
a pie.
fire.
Thought it was a pie.
No pun intended.
Oh, cake. That's what it is. Sorry, in Portuguese it's a pie. That's why I get words mixed up sometimes.
Let me see. All right, YouTube. YouTube, let me see something. Do me a favor, everybody on YouTube, spam
Torta.
torta.
Oh.
Spam torta. See, Izzy, this why we you feel me? 1 minute on the clock. Let's get it. Jamie, don't you know fluent Spanish? Aren't you in like Colombia?
Bro. Puppy? No. Please, baby girl. Don't
Jamie
do that.
is Asian Japanese.
Yeah, she's Asian Japanese, but she lives in Colombia.
Yeah, but she speaks like fluent Colombian, bro.
Yeah, she does.
That's kind of lit. I know what. Can't nobody cheat on you out there. They gonna think that you just Japanese and whole time you know everything. Who speaks Colombian? Me and Jamie. We both speak Colombian. All right, YouTube. We got Aeromech Trader. Aeromech Trader. Congratulations, bro. Come to the Discord. Open up a support ticket. You get a free indicator for the week. Come to the Discord. Open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you. Congratulations to Aeromech Trader.
Oh,
My
yeah.
names be throwing me in here. Discord. It's rejecting the same area. That short that I called, it played out for like.
This shit ain't doing shit though.
Yeah, it's not.
Can't. It's not deciding. Like the 1 hour is very undecisive. I mean, it did tap on the gap. That's the only reason because the 15 and the 1 hour tapped on the gap, but like left that wick there. So I'm kind of like, I see both scenarios, and that's when I'm like, I probably shouldn't press the button because I can see the sell and I can see the buy happening.
Yeah, it's in this big ass range right here. Maybe not this range, like a 70-point range. It keeps just bouncing in and out, bouncing in and out. Well, not bouncing in and out, but keeps bouncing.
You're
in
thinking
the
about
thoughts.
something else, yeah.
I let my intrusive thoughts get me on that one. All
Oh
right,
man.
Discord. Let's see.
Yeah, it's gonna make the move as soon as we end. Oh, like bro. If we do not catch the big move during the show, as soon as we finish, like give it 30 minutes, this is gonna show its hands. Like that's how it always plays out.
Tell you what, this 15-minute looks atrocious. She looks terrible.
Terrible.
All right, Discord. Izzy, give me a number, bro.
26.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. Slump Deezy. Pop out, my boy. Pop out. Slump Deezy. Oh, you already in.
Yo,
Yo.
What's that word? Cameras on, gang.
what's going on, everybody?
What's up?
How you doing?
I'm good, bro. Where you from?
I'm from Cali, but I live in Texas now.
You high as fuck, huh?
Hell yeah. I just finished my trading session. I was up 250 on Asia. Unfortunately, the first play didn't run through, so whatever. I did stick
Well,
to
you
the
said
strategy, but
unfortunately
now
what?
it's like, I'm sorry?
You said unfortunately what?
My first
The
play, it
first
didn't hit through. For some reason, I was trying to do more scalping during open, like kind of catching the trend as it goes down. But it's like, how do you say it? Not necessarily FOMO if you see that there's a consistent trend, but almost like not knowing when to take your profit. Like, I guess moving your trailing stop in a sense when you're in profit. I'm really stuck with preventing a higher loss and like retaining my profit in a sense, more of it. I trail my stops like way too close.
Trailing it too
I
close?
mean,
Yeah, like it's almost like I don't know how to risk management while I'm in profit.
it's what I tell everybody. You need to have a strategy for your trailing, like not just for your entry and
Right.
for your overall target, but like, look at structure. Like where does it invalidate your trade? where is the second place that could potentially invalidate your trade? And like you gotta be really good at market structure.
Right.
Understand where is the higher low and lower, whatever, like lower low, lower highs, and if we're forming a swing point. So I would say backtest. Backtest is your best friend. Like if I enter here, where is the logical point where I could possibly trail? You know,
Yeah, I
and
was planning
then
on back testing my
yeah.
strategies today, but I just kind of said fuck it, ball, and then went for the real deal on Asia. 1 for 3,
Yeah.
but still up 250. I'm cooling with it. It's another day, another dollar, you know?
Green is green, brother. Green
Yeah,
is
for sure.
green. You up 250?
Green is
You up
green.
250.
It's hard to be humble about this shit. It's just like, you know, there's so much more profit in play. You just kind of let it play out for too long and then end up getting closer to your break even than you wanted to, and it sold you out for some profit.
How many?
Listen, I fucking lose, quote unquote, lose profits all the fucking time. Like, it's just part of the
It's
game.
definitely like a greed thing for sure.
It's not even a greed thing. It's like it's being able to trust the process, right? And find a balance of like when to trail. Because Coach and I both trail, and it's good for you to trail because you always want to be able to take partials, right? But maybe, you know, for you, getting in with like, I don't know how many you get in, but like let's just say you get in with 10 micros, and instead of trailing, you know, you remove 2 micros every break of structure or something like that. So like each person is different, you know, and you can definitely play around with that. Because I've taken, like, if I want to hold for like a bigger move, I definitely rather take partials rather than like just trail.
Yeah, I usually try to size in with that 5 to 6 micros on every trade.
Yeah. So it really depends on you. So like if you're going in with 5 micros, you know, like, okay, first break of structure, I take 1 micro out of the table. Second break of structure, I take another one. So like there are ways that you can do that and take money out without actually messing up the entire trade and let it hit your overall target. And then you build like your tolerance for higher movements or like longer movements like that.
Right, discipline factor in it too for sure.
Yeah, and make sure you just mark it on your chart, just like you mark a take profit in your stop loss, like first partial here, second partial there. You see how Coach calls the partials all the time
Yeah,
because
for sure.
that is in his it's in his strategy. You know, he doesn't just
Absolutely.
like, oh, I'm up $500, I'm gonna take profit. It's like, no, did we actually break that structure that I'm looking for the partial? And it has to make sense.
Yeah, it's good knowledge from you guys. Thanks, appreciate it. I'm enjoying my trading journey so far. I'm 4 months deep in the futures now.
Hell yeah.
Doing pretty good. I have 1 funded off of Top Step, and then I'm currently working to get my second through Apex.
How many? How many points you smoked today?
1 before work, 1 at lunch, and then 1 when I got home.
God, boy,
I'm a
see,
mechanic, bro. It's just the lifestyle, man. It's just what I be doing. It's
he's
so
like,
much
he
easier
like
than it is
it
straight
sounds like he's smoking what I used to smoke. That boy is too high.
But
That boy
bro,
is
when we were in
wild.
California, it was totally different. Here in Texas, the laws are a little weak, but in California, it was preem for sure.
Well, congratulations, brother. You run a 50K TPT account.
Oh fuck yeah, thank you.
You run
Appreciate
a
it.
50K TPT account. Open up a support ticket. The mods will take care of you. Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, and thank you guys again for the wisdom and stuff. I'm definitely gonna try to keep the discipline factor and things and just training my mind.
Yeah, and back test.
Thank
What's
you.
up, Brody?
You gotta do the boring work.
Yeah, for
There's
sure.
no way around
That's
it.
definitely a hard part of it. But yeah.
Say less, bro. You got a new account coming your way. Take it slow. Try to get yourself a payout.
Appreciate it.
You already know it. Well, I got a nice little contact high fucking with him. I'm feeling like I just hit the thing.
I feel like that was good.
Feeling a little wavy right now.
Bro, what the fuck is now?
All right, guys. That is. I am hungry. I am hungry. That
I'm
I do know.
hungry as fuck too, bro.
What you about to
Actually,
eat?
I have no idea. I have meal preps.
You say you got meal preps? I
What?
get tired
You
of
were
cooking.
mute. You were mute. What'd you say?
I say I probably got to do something like that, bro, because I be cooking at 8 o'clock at night, 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? I'm just like, no, not. There's no way. I'm too tired for all that. I've been getting Factor lately. I was cooking nonstop, and then I was like, bro, I'm kind of doing too much. I need just to get my meals at this point.
Get you a wife, then shit. I got to move to Virginia. I got to find a crib out there first.
Factor is okay. I would say like if you just do like just say dinner, you know, like and then you have your dinner ready, like buy 5 of them, and they're not that expensive either. They're not that jealous. The other 2 are playing. This one just likes to be on my lap because I taught it since he was a puppy to be on my lap. So and the other 2 just terrorize the house.
Factor, I guess, is what is that for?
What? Hello Fresh? What are we talking about?
My shit is motherfucking tripping. My mic
What?
keep going in and out.
Oh yeah, your mic definitely.
That is another MOT happy hour, guys. Another MOT happy hour. If you guys made money with us, congratulations. Take your profits through New York, switch accounts. Do what you got to do. Don't put more strain on the account that you do not have to. If you guys didn't make any money today, money missed is not money lost. If you guys lost money, chin up, chest out. You got a New York session. Look for your right trade and you can probably recover. Do the right things. No sense of going on tilt during Asia and blowing an account during the Asia session. We got a whole New York session ahead of us. If you guys did blow your accounts, make sure you guys use code BDM. Make sure you guys use code BDM. If you're using TPT, use code P2P or BDM, whichever you're feeling. If you're gonna buy another account, you might as well fuck with the boys. Get yourself a discount because we got some crazy ass discounts going on today. All right. We do have a new deal on the website. 10% off of courses, 10% off of indicators, only on the Max Options Trading website. Guys, check out the website. The website will have that for you. It has all the partners that the prop firms that we're partners with. It has all the indicators, and you get a 10% off. Might as well, right? Make sure you guys tip the staff. They work solely off tips, and staff has been holding it down in here for a very long time. They do a very good job. It is very much appreciated from everybody in the staff. You guys need your education. If you guys need a course, we have all different type of flavors for you. We got the mastermind course. We got Izzy's high and low model. We got the P2P course. We got Logan's battalion. Whatever your style of trading is, we have the course for it. If you guys need coaching, make sure you guys get a coaching. You can get a coaching from me. You can get a coaching from Izzy. You can get a coaching from Javi, Logan, Jade. We have all different types of flavors of trading in here. Whatever your style of trading is, we trade it. Find your mentor, find your strategy, lock in with a coach because you're not gonna be able to do it yourself. All right. Izzy, you got something to say?
You literally fucking said everything. Yeah, guys, if you want to be there in the next episode of The Bachelor, make sure you send your name, your height, your weight, and why should Coach pick you. So
G Stan, get the fuck out of here. Study group. I'm gonna see you in the morning. Pre-market. I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. YouTube and the rest of everybody. I'm gonna catch y'all in the comment section. Habiba, drop that Underground Railroad, man.
said take a left from Rodeo. Only with the bros see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left from Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know where the P2P's go. The OGs go there. I just found my people, I just found my people, yeah. The Underground Railroad, Underground Railroad, yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches with the play, roll up on the black, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This is a sacred place. Oh yeah, yeah. I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know, where the P2P's go. OGs know that, OGs know that, OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know, where the P2P's